Welcome to Kelo TV, where we guide how to create an app, also how to create a game, and also how website. So if you are new here, consider subscribing for more videos updates because we create videos almost every day. So in today's video, we're going to see how to create a game like this. So this is the code which I use DeepSeek to create this app. So here you can see this is how the game works. So is a customer buying giving us a order, restaurant, someone selling. So here you can see the order is coming, customer order are coming, so you have to be quick to answer the to reply the same, like okay, here you say order, you say yes, and I earn some you know dollars from there. Here you can see burger. It's too late. So here you can see burger, hot dog, pizza. Yes, I win. Yes, here you can see pizza and fries. Yes, I win. Here you can see only hot dog. I win. Here you can see so next play again. It's going to take you to the new level. So that is how it works. So I have the complete code from here. So why I don't want to go and I'll be giving you all these details. It takes me almost 2 to 3 hours for me to be able to get a complete code. Okay, so this is the advance. In this particular update of the code, it has many level of the game. Enter level 1, level 2, and that is how you play. Because the more you go, the higher the game becomes. So that is how this one works. So okay, so without wasting time, let's go to creating the app to convert it to our phone to APK file where we can download on the phone. Okay, so here the code. This is the code. I have the code. If you need, please check the video, the down below of this video. If you're interested into this code, I will kindly share it on my WhatsApp group. Just join the WhatsApp group and we discuss. I will give you this code for free. So here you go to App Creator 24 with your code. Here you need to create an account and you need to log in here. Once you log in, you will come to this place. Here you click on create. So for me, I have already created. So I open. Once you create, it will come to a page like this. Then you click on section. On the section, you click create, and you click add a new section, and you click enter direct HTML code advanced. And here you're going to put all the code. Remove this and put the new code which we got from DeepSeek. Here you're going to put all the code, and here you're going to put the game name. I'm going to put the game name is here. So here you save changes. Now we are done. Our game is live. Click here. You're going to see this is our download link of the game. So if you also want to monetize, as I always guide you, if you're monetizing with AdMob, always you go to name, and here you're going to put the app ID from here, and you click on save changes. You click OK. You go to ads. Here this is where you're going to put the ad unit ID. So you create the banner. For the banner, you create for each of the sections, each of the ad type. Once done, you click on save changes. Here now you're good to go. Now you can download the APK file and upload into your app store. I hope it's so good good, very interesting. Oh, so thank you for watching. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. Always drop your question if you have. I will be always here ready to help you, guide you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.